Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacey. So today guys, we are about to harvest some sweet corns. So guess what? I wasn't planning on harvesting my sweet corns this evening until tomorrow morning. But tomorrow waits on no one. This is what is happening with my corn. Hence why I am harvesting now. I also have a few little things that I need to harvest, and I'm just going to get straight into it. So, come along with me. Here they are, guys. Ants is all over them. Now guys, I'm going to harvest from this wonderful pak choy that I have right here. It has been doing an amazing job and it is just flourishing and keep giving. I've harvested that thing twice already or 3 times. It's such a blessing. I have 2 turnips over there. I'm going to get them as well. That is, guys, beautiful. Another one right here. And over here I have a midget cantaloupe right here, Minnesota midget cantaloupe. And right here I have this melon. It's a battered melon. It's This is ready as well. Awesome. Comment below and tell me what you like from this basket right here. So that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.